up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Joycaster MUA. Thank you for being here. Today I'm actually going to do a first impressions on a few products that I picked up at Sephora. It's actually a new collaboration. Well, it's not a new collaboration actually. They've already collaborated, but it's their new products. It's actually the Chrissy, Teigen, and Becca Cosmetics collaboration. I'm not going to show you what's in the box yet. I will in just a minute. But oh my god, am I super excited to try these products out. I hope you guys like my video. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. There are some awesome products in this collection. If you want to know what I think about this collection or how it looks, then please continue watching. I've already done most of my makeup except for the things that I will be testing out today. I guess we can get started. So the first thing I'm going to be applying is the Becca and Chrissy Teigen Endless Bronze and Glow Palette. By the way, I love this packaging. I love the gold. It's very shiny. It's very pretty. So this is just the regular Becca Cosmetics palette that she usually uses for her pressed highlights. It's very pretty. Let's see what the box says. Reveal your inner beach glow goddess and achieve an endless summer glow anytime, anywhere with our limited edition Bronze and Glow compact created in collaboration with the California Cool Beauty model, mom, cookbook author, and Becca Glow Queen, Chrissy Teigen. Transport yourself to the beach with Chrissy's brand new exclusive shade of Sunlit Bronzer in Aloha Bronze, our best-selling Moonstone Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Highlighter, and Chrissy's exclusive Beach Nectar Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Highlighter, oh my god, Pressed Highlighter All-in-One Compact, Swirl Bronze and Glow. Okay, so if I'm not mistaken, the Beach Nectar is in the original Becca and Chrissy collab. Yep, so it's actually this highlight right here. I love this, so I'm very excited to try the rest of the collaboration out. I guess we can get started with the bronzer. I'm just going to take a Morphe R14 brush, dip into the bronzer, and apply that to my face. So I really like the bronzer. I know for a fact that I really do like the Beach Nectar highlighter. For the most part, I do use it as a highlighter, but I do want to try the Moonstone. But I'll use it as a blush topper right now. So the blush I'm going to be using is the MAC Cosmetics Blush in Blush Baby. I'm very lightly going to go into Beach Nectar and apply that just over the cheeks a little bit. Wow. I don't know if you can see the shine, but oh my god. It's really pretty. I'm just going to go into Moonstone right now and highlight my face. Wow. Oh my god, this is really pretty. Wow. Okay. This is not bad at all. Guys, this is really pretty. I'm just gonna highlight the rest of my face. Ooh, this is so pretty. I love this. Like, I love this compact. It's really cute. So we're gonna move on to the lips now. We've got 3 lip products, and again, the packaging is so cute. I love the gold. So the first shade I'm opening up is Beach Nectar. I love this bottle. This is really cute packaging. Yeah, so this is the first shade I opened up. I am going to swatch all 3 of them for you, then I'll pick a shade to wear. The next shade that I'm opening up is Malibu Soleil. It's more of a nude. This one's got a lot more like glitter pigments in it. This one's more of a nude lip gloss. And the last one is Beach Bum. So these are the 3 shades. So here are the swatches. The swatch to the left is Beach Nectar. The swatch in the middle is Malibu Soleil. And the swatch to the right is Beach Bum. I have decided that I'm going to wear the shade Beach Bum today. Ooh, it's got like a minty smell to it. This is a lip gloss on its own. I don't really think you can wear these lip glosses on its own. I prefer maybe wearing them on top of a liquid lipstick. So let me test that out. Today I'll be using my favorite nude liquid lipstick, and it's the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in Ludwig. And now I'll be going in with the Beach Bum lip gloss. This looks a lot better. The next item that I am very, very, very excited about is the Glow Body Oil. Wait, hold on. Oh my god, let me turn it to the back. Look at that. That is stunning, and I'm so excited to try it out. I'm just gonna put some on my shoulder. And then with the brush. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. That smells amazing. I love it. Okay, let's keep going. Can you see a difference? Ooh, you can see the oil. Oh yeah. You can't really see it from here, but it looks really, really, really pretty. Let's put some more on this shoulder. Oh my god, it really does smell amazing, guys. Do you see the glitter? Do you see the shine? All jokes aside, it looks really pretty on the skin. You can't really catch it in the camera, but it's very, very glowy, and I love the little specks of glitter in there. It looks so pretty. Okay, like it's really pretty, and the smell. Oh my god, it smells amazing. I know I'm just gonna be cuddling myself all day and just sniffing my shoulder. Okay, so I just wanted to show you really quickly what the body oil looks like in the sun. I mean, oh my god, that's... It's really pretty. So these were the products in the collection. I just wanted to give you a quick review on each of the products. First, we're gonna start with the compact here. I really did like it. I just wish there was a bit more Moonstone highlighter in there. I feel like this isn't enough. I like the bronzer shade. I love Beach Nectar just because it is in the other palette, so I know that I already liked it. And the Moonstone shade I love. I absolutely love it. But because Beach Nectar was already in the other palette, I would have preferred more highlighter and like more of the Moonstone highlight in this one. But like other than that, they look amazing in my opinion. Like I think they look great on the face. I'm definitely gonna keep using this. I'm going to review the lip glosses now. I really do like the shades. I'm excited to try the other two lip glosses another day. But the one thing I can say about the Beach Bum, and it looks like the other two are the same consistency, is that I probably wouldn't wear them on their own. I would wear them on top of a lipstick, just because I don't find them to be too pigmented, but they look amazing on top of a lipstick. They're beautiful, the shades are really pretty, and like even the smell, it's not bad, just good. Last but not least, I really like the body oil. It smells amazing, it looks great. You can't really see it in the camera. You can see that it's like there's a little bit of shine there, but there are like the glitter specks just make it look so much better. I have nothing to compare this to. Like, I haven't tried the Fenty Beauty Body Lava yet, but I mean, I still like this. This is amazing. I'm still going to continue to use this. It's very nice if you want to go to the beach and just glow, or like I'm going to a barbecue right after. It's very pretty. And yeah, that about completes my review and first impressions review. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. No. I'm just gonna take a more I'm using the Kat Von D Ever Liquid.